Welcome back to Math with Miss Sheehan. Grab your Learn book, the skinny one. Today we're going to be talking about if shapes have equal parts. So why don't you head to page 51, and I think that this concept is pretty, you'll catch on to it pretty fast. So if you look at these two shapes, they're both not split into equal parts, right? So if somebody said, hey, do you want to split a brownie with me? Which one would you rather do? Would you rather have this part or this part? Which of those is equal? The top one, right? You're like, I only got this little piece and you got this whole big piece? That doesn't make sense. So what we're going to be talking about today is splitting things into equal parts, okay? So number 1 says, circle the shapes that have 2 equal shares with 1 more shaded. So how many sections does it have to be cut into? 2. If it's more than 2, Okay, so how many did you fill in on number 1? How many did you circle? There should only be 2, right? The first one, circle it, and then the third one, circle it. I'll show you an example. Perfect. Now, number 2 says shade 1/2 of the shapes that are split into 2 equal shares. 1 has been done for you. So look at letter A. That's already been done. That's perfect. Letter B. Should we shade that one in? Yes. Letter B, that one is equal. So why don't you just pause me for a second, fill that one in, one side, and then we'll go on to letter C. Letter C, is that equal? Nope. Just leave it blank. Letter D. Is that equal? It is equal, but does it have 2 equal shares? I don't think so. Leave that one blank. Letter E, what do you think? 2 equal shares? Yes. Pause me for a second and color that one in. Letter F, do we have 2 equal shares there? Yes, good. They just look a little different because they're diagonal, aren't they? Pause me for a second and color that one in. Letter G, yes, 2 equal shares, good. Letter H, it's close, but it's not quite. There's a little bit more on the other side, so we're going to leave that one blank. Letter I, do you think there are 2 equal shares? Yes, very nice. Pause me and color it in, just 1/2. Letter J, yes, good. Pause me and color that one in. And then letter K, what do you think? Yes, good. If you turn to page 52, it's on the next page, it says to partition the shapes to show halves. Do you guys remember what partition means? It just means cut it with your pencil. Split it up into halves. So if I have to split it up into halves, how many lines am I going to be drawing? Just 1, right? So I'll show you the first one, and then you can just do the other one super easy. And these, we'll just try our best to do 1 equal side, right? So it's a circle, and I partitioned it, split it in half, and I colored one side. You think you can do that for the rest of them? Awesome. You can finish that one up, and then we're going to head to page 57 for our problem solver, okay? So if you just want to pause me for a second and wait until you're done with that, you can, or you can pause and go to problem solver for a second, and then you can go back to finish after, okay? So it says Felix is passing out raffle tickets. He passes out 98 tickets and has 57 left. How many raffle tickets does he have to start? Okay, so you might have to think about that one more time. It always is a good idea to read it again. So, Felix is passing out raffle tickets. Stop! Is there anything we can add there to a drawing or a picture? Not yet, right? He passes out 98 tickets. Stop. Write down 98. Get it? Got it? Good. And he has 57 left. So I'm going to put 57 too. Okay, so I've got 98 and 57. How many raffle tickets did he have to start? Well, he already gave out 98 and he still has 57. Do you think we need to add those numbers together or subtract them? Did you say add? Awesome. Make yourself a T-chart. 98 plus 57. If you need to use your place value discs, that's just fine. Okay, see what you come up with, and don't forget to add a little label at the end, raffle tickets. All right, awesome job today. We'll do Zern, extra math, or Freckle, and we'll meet back not tomorrow because it's the weekend, but on Monday. See you later.